Remember, you may feel unloved by people, but you will never be unloved by God. Hi everyone, welcome to my journey of faith. I am Rosie and welcome to my channel. And thank you for being here today. Have you ever felt unloved? Yung feeling na parang walang nakakaalala sa iyo, parang hindi ka importante. Maybe someone rejected you, left you, or made you feel like you're not enough. If that's how you feel today, this message is for you. At hindi ito aksidenteng nanonood ka dahil para talaga to sa iyo. I want you to know this. You are deeply loved by God. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect para mahalin ka niya. Hindi mo kailangan patunayan ang halaga mo. Because God loved you first. Sabi sa Romans 5 verse 8. But God showed His great love for us by sending Christ to die for us while we were still sinners. Isipin mo yan, bago pa man tayo magbago, bago pa man tayo lumapit sa Kanya, mahal na tayo ng Panginoon. Mahal ka na ng Panginoon. Minsan kasi hinahanap natin ang pagmamahal sa ibang tao. Pero people can disappoint us. They can leave us. But God's love never change. Hindi nagbabago ang pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa atin, pero tayo lang yung nagbabago sa Kanya. Kapag feeling mo walang nagmamahal sa iyo, remember the cross. Jesus gave His life because you are worth dying for. No, say to yourself, I am worth it. Hindi ka forgotten, hindi ka unwanted, hindi ka nag-iisa. You are loved by the one who created you. Nandun ka pa sa sinapupunan ng parents mo, alam at kilala ka na ng Panginoon at He loves you so much. Always remember, you may feel unloved by people, but you will never be unloved by God. Hindi ka man tatanggapin at mahalin ng iba, pero ang pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa iyo ay totoo. Maybe today, stop believing the lies and start believing what God says about you. If this message encourages you, comment God loves me, or emoji heart, or I am loved. I love to hear from you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone.